So when I click on confirm, okay, so you can see withdrawal successful. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and in this video we're going to be talking about MxxBlue. Now this is an investment opportunity that actually gives you the opportunity to earn from this store grabbing kind of a business enterprise. Okay, now if you look up here, you're going to see that there are different kind of amounts of money you can actually make from this opportunity, but it all depends on you, on how much you actually want to make. Then you're going to determine how much you're going to be coming into this project with. Okay, I just deposited $35 into this project, so I'm going to start with this and see how it goes. If everything goes well, then I'm going to be putting in more stake into this project. Okay, so for you, if you want to get started, you can just come up here, click on this deposit. I'm going to copy this deposit address. Okay, this is a USDT deposit address. Then you're going to send in your funds to this deposit address. Okay, you copy this, you send your funds into it. Remember, it's USDT TRC20. Okay, then after you do that and the money is being sent from your exchange, you could be from Binance, KuCoin, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or anywhere. After you do that, then you can come here and click on this recharge. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about this project. Okay, but before that, let me quickly show you how you're going to register on this platform. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of this video, the first link. So just go ahead and click on that link and it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, so all you just need to do here is just to put in your email address, put in your login. Okay, then you're going to put in your security password. Okay, then you're going to put in your Telegram. This is actually optional if you want to put your Telegram here and your WhatsApp here. Automatically you're going to get this invite code here. Okay, so you just need to do just to sign up here. Okay, now if you click on this sign up, then you're going to have this kind of interface automatically. Okay, so on this particular package that I decided to sign up on, let me quickly show you here. Okay, this is the one I actually sign up on. Okay, so here I'm expected to be earning $6 every day for good 45 days. Okay, so here I actually came in with $35. Okay, now if you want to come in with this one, you can do this, but this does not really give good amount of money. This one is $13. Okay, then you can see this one that I did, which is 35. Then this one is $117. Then you scroll down, this one is 351 and all that. Okay, but on this particular one that I did, so I'm going to be earning $6 every day. Okay, now for every day, for you to actually earn this $6, you just need to do a little, well, let me just call it a micro task. Okay, after you sign up and you get a package, right? Like I rightly showed you how to get funds deposited already. Okay, so let's assume you want to choose here. I cannot show you this one again because I've chosen this already, so you cannot really see it. So let's assume you want to do this 117 USD. You're going to click on it. After you must have deposited your funds into the website. Okay, then automatically you're going to be subscribed to this one. Anyone you just want to choose, you just go ahead and click on it. I just click on the button down here that you see that says unlock. Okay, you're going to see it. You see unlock. You're going to see all those buttons that says unlock. Okay, when you click on it, automatically you will be subscribed to that particular package and you start earning. You can see daily profit. You can see daily profit here. This is what I'll be earning here. If you do this, this is what you'll be earning, 2.2 every day for 45 days. If you do this particular one, you're going to be earning $20 every day for 45 days. If you do this, then you're going to be earning $60 for 45 days. Okay, so you're going to come here and scroll through and see the one that actually befits your risk appetite, and you're going to go with that. Okay, so if you come down to the interface here, to my dashboard here, you're going to see that we have deposit here, which I've shown you how to deposit funds into it, and you can see the withdrawal here. After you must have made some profit and you want to withdraw, you just need to come up here, click here. Okay, then you're going to see your daily profit here. You remember your profit is going to show you every 24 hours. Then you're going to put in the amount you want to withdraw here, and you're going to put in your USDT wallet address here. Then you're going to put in your security password here. I click on confirm. The money will be reflected in your USDT wallet. Okay, and also you can make extra income by inviting your friends, your colleagues, your relatives into this project. You can see where it says team here. When you click on this button that says team here, you can see here when you invite your friends, your relatives, you're going to be getting bonuses here. Okay, you're going to be getting some team rebates, right? You can see if you invite somebody, let's say you invite this person and this person invite this other person in the level 2, you're still going to be earning from it. And if this person on level 2 actually invite somebody on level 3 also, you're still going to earn from it. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to come up here, you copy this your referral link here. Okay, then you can go to Facebook, go to Twitter, go to Instagram, go to WhatsApp, and you share it with your friends and relatives. And as soon as they join and they make money, you also are going to be making money from their earning also. Okay, so every day, every 24 hours, you just need to come here. Like you can see this particular one, this is the one I did, this Amazon here. So every day I'm just going to come here. If I click here, you can see here, you can see it says you can see these 3 button here, right? So I'm going to click it now. Okay, then I'm going to get, see if I click it now. Okay, so it's going to load, so you can see it's completed. So this is just all I have to do every day. Just come here every 24 hours, click on it, right? This is the second one. Now this is the third one. So when I click on this third one, you can see, right? So you can see completed. Okay, that is the only thing you need to do every 24 hours. You just come down, you click on this mission, this button that says mission, you just click on this. Now if I go to my dashboard now, you're going to see that my capital, okay, must have increased. Okay, let me go there and click on it. Let me come down here and click on this home now. Okay, so you can see it's $41 now. Okay, meaning I've earned that $6 that I'm supposed to earn every day on my accrue benefit. Okay, so that is just all you need to do for you to make money from this project. Okay, now this kind of a project, for me personally, if I go through it and I feel it's something that worth my risk, I jump on it quickly and make my money out of it. Okay, but having said that, you can also go ahead and do your research, because I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, you can go ahead and do your research about the project before you put your funds into it. Okay, but for me, I'm in it already, and I'm going to be making my $6 every day for 45 good days. Okay, quickly let me make a withdrawal from the account to be sure that everything is fine. So I'm going to click on the withdrawal up here. Okay, let me click on withdrawal here. So you can see I have $6 to withdraw. So provided you have $2, you can make withdrawal here. Okay, so let me go to my Binance and get my here. Okay, let me get my USDT wallet address. So I'm going to copy my USDT wallet address here and go back to the website. Then here I'm going to put $6 here. Okay, and I'm going to put in my USDT wallet address here. Then I'm going to put in my security password here, my withdrawal password here. Okay, let me quickly do that. Okay, I'm going to put in my withdrawal password here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on confirm here. Okay, so when I click on confirm, okay, so you can see withdrawal successful. So the withdrawal has actually gone through. So I know is let me just wait until it comes into my Binance account. Then I'm going to show you the withdrawal. Okay.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so after a few minutes, I just got an alert. I just got email from Binance for the deposit. So I'm going to click up here. Okay, let me quickly click up here. So up here now you can see there's a mail here from Binance, right? Let me click on this mail from Binance. Okay, so let me click on this mail. So you can see I just get the $6 that I withdrew from the website, deposited into my Binance account. Okay, and if you want to contact the customer care, all you just need to do is to come down here, you click on this button here, and you can talk to them on Telegram. Okay, you just click on this button. Provide in case you have any issue you want to discuss with them. Okay, you can click here, or inquiries or whatever, you can click here and talk to them on Telegram. Okay, now if you've not joined my Telegram group, I will advise you to join my Telegram group. Just go to the description of the video. You're going to see my Telegram group handle there. Okay, just click on it so that you join my Telegram group. Okay, you can also ask me questions, talk to me on my Telegram. Okay, I want to believe you got value from this video, and if you got value from this video, remember to give this video a like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you've not done that. Okay, I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Do take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one, and bye bye for now.